love dumplings, then you're gonna love these rice paper dumplings. They are unique because we're not gonna use the typical dumpling dough, but instead we're gonna use rice paper sheets. You know the ones that you use for Vietnamese spring roll? Yeah, those. You're gonna get super crispy dumpling skin with minimal efforts. We're gonna start with our filling. This is 1 inch of ginger that I minced. And to that I'm gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. This is 2 medium carrots, around 100 grams. And I also have 1 cup of dried shiitake, also 100 grams. You can also use fresh shiitake. Pinch of salt. So once you see the carrots are soft like this, then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. 1 cup of cooked chicken, 150 grams. 1 cup of spring onion, 50 grams. Half teaspoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of less salt soy sauce. Finally, half tablespoon of sesame oil. Now we're just gonna mix and cook them just for a few minutes. That's it. Leave the filling to cool completely before we start assembling. So this is the rice paper that we're gonna use. First, what you want to do is soak it in the water for like 5 seconds. And then put it on top of a damp kitchen towel. You can see that it's still not that soft for you to fold it. Just wait for a few more seconds, it's gonna be soft enough. See the difference? Now it's soft for you to fold it easily. Take 1 tablespoon of the filling. What you want to do is just fold it like an envelope or like a parcel. Set it aside for a while. Here I have another piece of rice paper. We're gonna use 2 rice papers per parcel. It's gonna make the parcel more crunchy. Okay, what you want to do is place the seam side down on the second sheet. Again, fold it. Cover with damp kitchen towel so that it doesn't get dry and start breaking apart. Now let's shallow fry them on medium heat until they are crispy. Listen how crunchy it is. And you have to have this chili garlic oil. I'll leave the link in the description box below.